Okay, we're not gonna do the whole.
No.
Really cool old door. 1855. This is when Meade oversaw the reconstruction. So we're just gonna walk down and try not to fall. Easier said than done. Oh, and there's the steps that go up to the lighthouse. I mean, sorry, the light itself. The Fresnel lens. You can see it through here. These windows are completely opaque, so if there's anything to see up there. And that little stairway to get in is about, I don't know, man, it's 18 inches. I'd be surprised. Okay, here we go. That was the steepest part. I knocked my head like I did last time, so I'm thinking that's good. And we're just going to go all the way down. The guy said that during Andrew, that hurricane washed away 30,000 bricks, or that they had to replace 30,000 bricks. He didn't say that they were washed away. But the damage was such that it required 30,000 bricks to be replaced. Replaced. So, Seminoles built this in '36. It was rebuilt immediately thereafter, and then Meade came with his crew in 1855 and reconstructed, rebuilt it, not rebuilt it, what's the word? Improved it, probably like added 40% to its original height. Are we jammed? Oh Lord, we are. You all right, man? You okay? You all right?
Yeah.
You're a little more than halfway.
Halfway. Holy crap. I thought, well, just 10, 20 more feet.
I made this one okay, but I almost died on the one in Ponce Inlet.
Yeah.
It's like the tallest one in the state.
Yeah.
I had to stop like 7 times. I thought it was it for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all. I can make it, I think, if I can stop like this.
Well, let me slide by y'all.
You got it. Oh, I'm sorry.
Take care, man. Don't be afraid to quit.
Yeah, I think that's the window where he said, maybe that's the where they 65 feet, That's a great photo there.
Probably the most interesting video ever was taken.
That's about 11 tons.
So I'll shut it down. All right. By God's grace, I am down.